Hi, this is Kenny from In-A-Day Development. Welcome to our tutorial on the TVM worksheet. Some people prefer to work their time value of money, or TVM numbers, on a dedicated screen. And for those people, we have good news. We've got you covered. In this example, we're going to use a simple and relatively typical mortgage amortization. If any of this is confusing, please review the videos for basic TVM functions, as they go into more detail than this video does. To bring up the TVM worksheet, I hit Orange Shift, and then the TVM button, which shares the MU button. This screen has 6 fields and a begin-end toggle. The fields correspond to the normal TVM registers of N, IYR, PV, PMT, FV, and PYR, or payments per year. The toggle lets you easily switch between begin and end modes. If I want to know my payment, I put 360 into N, 6.125 for IYR, 135,000 for PV, and 0 for FV. I verify that my PYR, or payments per year, is 12, as I'm going to be paying monthly. Since this is a mortgage, I verify that I'm in end mode. Then I hit the equals button next to PMT to find my payment. It's $820.27, so I will pay $820.27 every month for this mortgage. Let's say my payment was only $800 per month. What would be my balloon payment at the end of 30 years? I enter negative 800 into PMT and hit the equals button next to FV. My balloon payment is $20,859.57. If I had no balloon, i.e. F is 0, and my payment were $700 per month, what would be my interest rate? I enter 0 for FV, negative 700 for PMT, and hit the equals button next to IYR, and see the interest rate there is 4.70%. But let's say that I can only get a 6.125% rate, and I only want to have $700 per month in payment. What's the maximum amount I can borrow? So I'll change IYR back to 6.125 and hit the equals button next to PV and find that the most I can borrow is $115,205.37. That means that I'll need either a bigger down payment or a price reduction if I want this new mortgage on that same house. But let's say I need to borrow the full $135,000, but the bank is willing to extend the term of my mortgage. How long will I be paying this $700 per month? I put $135,000 back into PV and hit the equals button next to N and discover that my new loan will be 816.88 months. Yes, that's right. Not paying an additional $20,000 on the front end more than doubled the term of my loan. I'll end up paying almost $320,000 more over the life of this loan because I couldn't come up with that $20,000 on the front end. If I keep the loan for the entire 68-year term, given my current age, that seems unlikely. If I want to see the cash flow diagram for any of these mortgage scenarios, all I have to do is hit the graph button and it shows right up. When I'm done gazing in wonderment at the diagram, I hit the Done button to go back to the TVM worksheet. When I'm done using the TVM worksheet, I tap the Done button to return to the calculator. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this example, please feel free to email us at theteam@inadaydevelopment.com.